Did you get him, Pop?
Got him.
Good job.
Max, see the feathers? See? Right there. Go get him, Max.
Which side of the fence?
Well, he's in that grass.
Okay.
Tall grass. I'm not exactly sure what side of the fence he went on.
Let's hold this up one. Max. No, here.
Yeah, I think he's more on this. Yeah.
Go. Nope. Go. Nope. Go around. Go around. There you go. 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 Find him. Go.
Find a bird. No.
No.
He might be on that side.
Go around. Go. Come on. Come on. Go find him. Find him. Find him.
There's the feathers. You're getting close, Max. Another 5 feet. Right there, Max. Right there he is. Come back, Max. There you go. You got him. Max, come back. Hee hee hee. Atta boy, Max. Now he's got to come back on this side. Atta boy, Max. Good boy.
Triever. Good boy. Good boy. Go. Come on. Good boy. Copper. Way to go, buddy.
Atta boy, Max. Good job, Max. Good job. Oh, is that my bird?